You've probably seen my last Instagram video and you're wondering and calculating that Esther add caption to this reel, but you didn't ask me. But I'm still going to answer the unasked question. Here is it. I did everything about that video on Instagram, right? 1 minute recording and like 2 minutes I added the caption and the background music, all on Instagram. That's what I'm going to be showing you now. You want to make sure that your Instagram app is up to date, and instead of using the addition icon at the top of your screen, make sure to swipe right. Then you can either choose if it's a story, reel. We're sticking to reel. Choose your media, that's a video in this case. Make sure that the video you're choosing actually has sound. You cannot transcribe what doesn't have sound. You can also choose your music from here. Add the music. Next, because you've added the background music, make sure that the original video's audio is at the maximum and the music is quite low. You can now add the caption by clicking on that sticker area. Then the first thing there is caption. Click on that, add your caption. Make sure to check if the transcribing is correct. To do that, tap on a word, just tap on it and you'll be able to edit whatever it is that is incorrect. After you've confirmed that your transcription or your caption is accurate, then you can click on done. This is the time to confirm that your music, if you're adding the background music, is the way you want it to be, and adjust the volume of the background music on Instagram, right? You can move the text about and also change the text format. And like 2 minutes I added the caption and the background music, all on Instagram. That's what I'm going to be showing you now.